My name is Karl Seddon, Principal of Howard & Seddon, Architects Manchester. Since Thomas Edison invented the light bulb in 1879, lighting rapidly became an everyday occurrence in our lives. It has enabled us to control our environment and therefore how we live and react in our daily events, in all spheres and activities. Lighting affects our lives in a functional way. For example, in the workplace environment, where set levels of illumination are required to prevent eye strain. In operating theatres, where high levels of illumination are required. For the external lighting of our streets and our transport systems, for temporary roadworks and the like. For the architect, lighting has many purposes: utilitarian, functional, aesthetic, ergodynamic, advisory, and with many other practical purposes. Whether utilitarian or purely aesthetic, lighting plays a fundamental part in our thinking and in our design processes. From mood lighting within and around the home to security lighting and night vision, providing us with a feeling for greater safety and control. The choice and siting of lighting is of paramount importance and is a fourth dimension within the design process. Spectacular design effects can be created with the siting of light fittings and create reflections, images, and stunning design effects through the use of LEDs, lasers, neon, halogen, spotlights, compact fluorescent, dimmable fluorescent, and so on. For the architect, lighting therefore has huge design potential. It covers the full cycle of human demography, including physiological, safety, social, esteem, and self-actualization, the needs of man. Lighting can therefore be used to meet all of our physiological needs, and therefore the trick to the designer is to satisfy relevant needs in clever and skillful design proposals which maximize this quality and effect within budget targets. Design choices are huge, from utilitarian to funky to contemporary to classic to vintage. Styles can be mixed to create a contemporary twist to a traditional environment, or to make the contemporary exceptional. As stated by Jairo Vidal Fortazel, the consideration of spatiality is the possibility to define the physical room, volume, distance, proportions, and orientation. Dependent on the light in a space, we can perceive its volume as huge, as small, open, and crowded. The perceived extension can also change a lot from airy to a cramped space. Even the orientation is influenced by lighting, because how you find your way in the space can well be determined by the light present there. The atmosphere consists of the general character related to the physiological mood that the light creates. Many times people experience the space as boring, private, public, cheerful, etc., only because of lighting influences. And last, the visibility is connected only to work demands, to the possibility to see things during the task: form, surface, texture, colour, and light. That is what Asco Lights are about, providing a full range of lights and fittings in various styles to suit mood, palette, personal taste, and of course having regard to the maximum effect at optimum price. Whilst lighting is commonplace in our lives, the art of the designer and the architect is to create the extraordinary out of the ordinary, quality out of normality, and exceptionality out of economic adversity. Safety for an emergency, ambience when socializing, communication through location, and the art forms through style, type, and location. This is the importance of lighting in architectural design. To calm us when we're relaxing, to satisfy our workplace needs, to add control and security to our external environment. That is what Edison perhaps unwittingly started with the creation of his light bulb, and to which we continue to develop to create quietly sophisticated environments which contribute to all of our well-being.